Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look at how this neck has been powered. Simple, easy to do it. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. If you follow these steps and the trick that I'm gonna give it to you, you can achieve something greater than what you are seeing. I post videos every Sundays, and if I couldn't post it on Sunday, then I might post it on Monday. That's what I do. It is what it is. Sometimes I may have a problem with my laptop and maybe the lights out. It's Africa. Anything can happen. So that's why it's very important to click on the notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you will update it. It is what it is. Like how beautiful it is. I'm going to explain to you the tips and the tricks that you need to know. You need to know to achieve the neck. So let's get started. You have to join the shoulder. Some people pop only the front, so some people pop the front and the back. So each other way, you have to measure the neck. That's very important. No, this fabric is one of the 5 that I went through some challenges. I have different kinds of tutorial on how to pop a neck, but this one I went through some challenges with it, so I decided to use this one instead of using the easy ones. I wanted to show you that sometimes you gotta face some fabric and it's gonna give you some tough time. So for a second, you have to fold the fabric like the way you want to cut a bias strip, the way you want to cut a bias, like the way I have folded. I folded, so you just have to fold the same way. You measure your neck just like that, then you just iron it. I'm telling you, this fabric gave me a tough time. I went through some tough times. I'm marking 1 inch over there. That is 1 inch. So when you open it, it's going to give you 2 inch. So I'm marking 1 inch. Like I was saying, this fabric gave me a tough time. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see. So I choose this one because I want you to know that sometimes you're gonna face some difficulty with the fabric, but you have to go. You have to do it. You need to bring the best out of it. You need to go on with it, to make the work look beautiful. Sometimes when you're having problem with it, it will give you like the outcome will not going to look beautiful. But hey, you gotta do it and let the outcome be beautiful. So after cutting, I'm gonna open it. I'm telling you, this fabric gave me a tough time, so I gotta pour some water on it, just to get the folding right, but still it was not folding. I'm telling you, but still it was not folding. I used much heat, and if you put it on so high, when the iron is so high, you're gonna burn the fabric. Do you understand? You're gonna burn the fabric as well. So it wasn't easy. I had to pour a lot of water on it, just to try put smash times on it, and just to get the lines and the folding right. If not, I'm not going. Like I said, I'm folding 1/2 inch, and after that I fold 1/2 inch at the other part as well. So it will left it 1 inch. It will left 1 inch. I did what I said. You can use this. This one I'm going to use to help me to hold it. Yeah, this one is very easy. But if you don't have that one, you can use your facing. Get the soft one. Then you measure. Then you cut. Then you put it inside. The other tutorial, I use my facing. But this one I don't, because I wasted time folding this one. I just want to use this and just get on my way. Just have to substitute it in. Then you iron. Like I said, if you don't have this one, just have to get your facing, but get the soft one, the real soft one, interfacing, the real soft one. You just get that one and just cut it and just put it there. It's gonna work perfectly. That's what I've been using. I don't normally use this one. It is what it is. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell. It is what it is. So after that, you have to fold again like this. Don't let it be equal. Make sure let one be longer than each other. Let one be longer than other one. Don't fold it equally. just leave a little bit of space at the tips. I'll show you. You can see one is longer than the other one. That's how it's supposed to be. So this is the band that we are going to pop. So when you want to pop your neck, the longer side is supposed to be at the wrong side of the fabric. You have to go down, and don't stretch the neck. Let the neck fall the way it is. You have to control the band, not the actual neck of the top. You just have to follow the curve of it. Sorry that my camera was not capturing the place that is supposed to capture, but if you listen to me, like I said, don't stretch the neck itself, the top of the neck. Don't stretch, let it fall the way it is, the curve, how it is. You only have to control the band, the one you are using for piping. You only have to control that one. That's the one you have to use it to curve your hands, to fix everything properly. Like I said, don't stress the neck. Don't try to pull it long to make it straight. Just let it fall the way it is. When you put the neck there, you can see the curve has been falling. Just let it fall the way it is. I'm repeating, let it fall the way it is. And use the band. Just use your hand to just follow the line of the curve. Just have to put it inside and you're showing it. I think maybe it will show a little bit for you to see, but sorry guys. This fabric give me tough time. You can see that I'm changing my my thread is being giving me a problem. You iron is not iron, when you're sewing it is giving you a problem. That's what this fabric, the challenges that I went through. When I iron is not ironing, and when I'm sewing and it's giving me a problem, So as you can see here, you can see how I'm pulling everything inside. I'm not stressing it. I'm not stressing it. I'm telling you, I went through a tough time here. My thread it's not showing out, but you have to bring the best out. Just have to make sure you bring the best out. You can't tell the client or your customer that I can't sew, your fabric is giving me a problem, so I can't sew, so come for your clothes. No, you still have to bring the best out. Even though you are going through challenges, it's frustrating. I'm telling you, it's really frustrating. When you're working with the fabric and the fabric is giving you a problem, when iron is not iron, it's not laying them flat, and it's really a problem. I'm telling you. Like I said, I have a lot of 3 tutorial on how to pipe a neck, but because this one gave me a tough time, that I just want to share it out for you guys. That be aware that there will be a fabric that if a client or your customer may bring it to you for you to sew something for him, and you have to go through some challenges, when sewing it, but yet still you need to bring the best out of it. You have to let the work look beautiful. You have to let the work look neat, and wonderful. It is in any kind of work. You might face some challenges. So after sewing on, you can sew on top again. At the tip, you go on by 2 lines or 3 lines, whatever. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Your zip or whatever you want to fix, and you just join it and voila, you go. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell. It is what it is. So we're done. See how beautiful you look? Yeah, you should. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell. God bless you all.